Hello everyone and welcome to Two Bob's Adventures. Today we're here at High Knob area, as you can see. Really pretty up here, just at the lookout. We're just going to be hiking a trail that's just like right over by here. So it's just down there. We're going to be checking out Hurricane Bluff. So never seen that before. I think it's our first time hiking like in this part of the area, isn't it?
Yeah, we've done the river to river that goes through here real close, and we've come up here and looked at the overlook.
But we've never hiked like the actual trail over there.
Yeah, so just kind of show the area here. Here at the overlook at High Knob, you go through the High Knob campground, horse camp, but there's like a picnic area here, got a couple grills, and it's a really neat area. It used to be a fire tower here, I guess, back in the day. It would be a good place to overlook and look for fires out there. Just beautiful. But warm day. It's 10. Well, it's not quite 10 o'clock. It's 85 degrees already. It's supposed to get up in the 90s today. So gonna be a pretty warm hike, and we're gonna be joined by hiking with Shawn and his girlfriend Michelle. So we'll have a good day. I was just gonna walk over here and show you the trailhead sign. Like I said, we've not actually done this one, but it's a hiker only trail. That's what makes it nice. Even with the horse camp nearby, should not be any horses on this trail. So hiker only, trail number 105, junction with 105A. Pretty weedy, probably going over your long bridges. So as soon as Shawn gets here, we actually beat Shawn for once, which is really unusual. As soon as he gets here, we'll hit the trail. I just saw this cool wall here. I thought I'd show everybody too while we're here waiting. You can see the old wall. There's foundation here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this trail, I don't think it's a very long trail at all. It just kind of loops down underneath the bluff there. But yeah, super cool. Probably a little ticky today, but it'll be all right. Shawn's making new friends. We're on what was that? Trail 105A is what we're actually starting on. And I think, does it actually go on up, or is this the actual trail? Here's the trail we're doing anyway. We're crawling down between these rocks.
Yeah, we go down and
Yeah, I think I'll probably put this up.
no, I'm good.
How slippery is it?
It's not too slick.
Bob said it was slick.
I mean, it can be.
All right. I'll try to keep videoing then. Yeah, that wasn't bad.
How much you want? Like it was nothing.
That wasn't too bad. All right, cool.
Big win.
So there's where we came down. Pretty cool. All right, we were walking along the trail. Came across this little beauty. Michelle found it after Bob had walked right by it and didn't see it.
Probably bit Bob in the leg.
Probably did. Did you feel woozy or anything? So Bob's trying to get some cool pictures of it, but yeah.
Oh, freaks out. It like jerked.
Super cool rough green. So that made it worth the day right there. All right, just another cool area here in the Shawnee National Forest. Way up there is kind of where we started up by the overlook. We're not below the overlook, we're behind the overlook. But just a super cool area. I don't even know if I can get it all in here. But on a 90-degree day, it's probably 20 degrees cooler down in here. It's pretty cool. I like it. But everybody else is back. I think they found a little cave. So we'll go see. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'll go in there. I don't like bugs. I know. It's pretty good out here.
Feels really good in here. Like a whole cave.
Okay, that got me in here. So here's what we're looking at. What are you doing?
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, it's weird in here.
Yeah. It's like a cave.
Yeah. Don't leave me. I didn't bring a light. Bob did. Does it open up? Or is it doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. Well, you can see daylight through part of it. Yeah.
Just like Bluff, it's just
Yeah.
kind of
Cool.
got on top of each other.
Dude, we could be in the birth canal.
Oh,
Oh, man.
Cool.
Has your dad ever told you about bluffage and these?
Hey, here.
Still on Trail 105, I think. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah. Down below the High Knob overlook. Ooh, it's cool right here. Really cool area to hike. Glad we came down here. It's been lots of bluffage today. More than I would have thought. But thought I'd take a minute just to show off part of what we're going through. Just following this bluff line. Pretty cool. And the trail's in good shape. Not torn up at all with horse traffic. Even though I'm sure horses do come on it, but it is in good shape. Big tree. That's a cool crack there in the bluffage. Cool. Nice little overhang up here. Hoping to see another snake. It's pretty warm today. I don't know that we will, but it'd be cool if we did. Fire ring up here. Really shouldn't make fires under the rocks like that, but it seems like they did a lot here in the Shawnee. All right, we came out of Trail 105 up at towards High Bluff, or High Knob. You got me doing it now. Towards the High Knob area. And there's the sign for it. But we're heading down the road, and we're going to Hurricane Bluff area. This right here is the river to river. We're going to head on the river to river, right? But over here is another just little area I thought I'd show. Here's one of the river to river signs. And there's the trail. I'm just going to see what this sign said over here. This would be heading westbound right now. Yeah, river to river, Garden of the Gods, 4 miles. I don't know how accurate that is, but it's probably pretty close. Shawn?
What?
Wait a minute, Shawn. So, yeah, the river to river crosses the road down to the High Knob camp. Alright, we're heading to the Hurricane Bluff area. We came up trail here, heading towards Hurricane Bluff and, say, Dead Horse Canyon, I think. Tanner Hill sign over there. What's that one over there say, Bob? And no, Tanner Hill and No Rock that way.
Yeah. No.
What do we want to show?
Hurricane Spring.
Hurricanes.
Yeah, lower Hurricane Spring. This way is upper Hurricane Bluff, Dead Horse Canyon. High Knob's also this way, it says.
Yeah. So I just wanted to show how awesome the trail is. This is why we can't have mountain bikes in the forest, because we'll tear it up too bad. Kills me. Anyway, so yeah, that's we'll look back down that way.
Here and just start walking around talking to each other.
Just gross.
I don't see how much we can tear it up.
Yeah, Yeah, I don't know how you actually get it this bad. I mean, that's a lot of horse traffic.
Like they saw a mountain bike.
All right, here we are on the top of Hurricane Bluff. There's a wind chime here in the tree, so you know that's pretty natural. Enhances my enjoyment of nature. That's a yeah, cool overlook though. Awesome area. Wow, beautiful. It's hot though.
Got a bunch of peanut shells or pistachios.
Yeah, pistachios. Pretty popular area, obviously. We were hoping to possibly find some prickly pear today. Thought it might be blooming, but haven't seen any yet. But just so cool. That's the way that looks over there with huge hill. Awesome. Love Shawnee National Forest. Didn't get much better. All right, we've been hiking trail 146 around the Hurricane Bluff, High Knob type area. And off of the trail 146, there was a sign that said cemetery. So we came up here, and there's what you got. Pretty cool. I don't know what the rope exactly. I mean, I guess you can go in there. Let's see. 1896 to 1917. Another 1917. Albert Piles. That one's, can't read it very well. Looks like it was 1887 maybe. At least somebody's been putting flowers and stuff. It's kind of cool. That one's unreadable. Real loud though. Looks like that. Okay, yeah, it's just backward. That threw me off. Looks like 1880 something to 1890 something. Albert Piles. Pretty neat.
I think I'm burned a little when I wipe my face. It's gonna hurt my head.
Okay. Yeah, you might, because I'm trying to video at the same time. Here's a trail. It's not a numbered trail. It's just on the maps it shows like an old road. But obviously the horse riders know about it. Yeah, what a mess. It's been a pretty good stretch like this. So my recommendation, let's go ahead and finish 146. We cut off of 146, just kind of take a shortcut back. But, jeez, what a mess. So we're actually just kind of bushwhacking now to try to get back instead of messing with all that. Now, even off the trail here, you can see, not the best. Oh man, my foot just got soaked again. Gross. So yeah, just wanted to show you. If you're doing this trail, you might want to be on a horse. And I feel sorry for the horse.
Yeah.
What a mess. Came across something super cool. Michelle almost stepped on it. Check it out.
Wow.
Little. They're so cute. And we're obviously not messing with it. It looks... We were bushwhacking there to get around all the horse damage, and Michelle just almost stepped on it. That'd have been wild. So hopefully the trail gets a little better. That was super cool. Beautiful. More cool stuff in the forest today. Found this old house, cabin, whatever. Super wild, just out here in the middle of nowhere. What we thought was wild, they had front door and everything still has curtains on it. Door and window over there still has fancy curtains. Pretty wild.
Some sort of antenna thing on top.
Yeah. don't know what that is. And all kinds of cans, like gas cans and stuff. It's kind of weird. So, yeah, that's what I could see part of it here. The stove pipes over here. Oh, the cook stove, yeah. I don't know how well that's coming through on camera, but that's wild. Oops. But yeah, cool. Actual stove. Another cool building we found, close to the other one. Some kind of old shed. It's weird. It's full of sticks. Like the stove and everything else. Just weird. But there's a weird little thing. Oh crap, something stuck me. Right there on the front. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. It's got like chicken wire in it, it looks like. I don't know. Maybe this was a chicken coop. I don't know. I'm not much of an old farm guy or anything. Keep videoing, Bob.
Sweet 16.
It's a V8 engine.
Check it out. That's cool.
Finding all sorts of stuff.
A vigilante.
A vigilante.
Yep. It's a one-seater too. You can't have any passengers.
That is
No
wild.
girlfriends.
Looks.
Unless they sit
I
on
don't
the
know.
lap.
Again, anybody knows what this is, let me know. I'm not an old car guy either.
Jeep.
That's what it looks like. Jeep on the front.
Gladiator.
The
Jeep truck.
Like Travinko.
the V8. Let's see if I can get that on there. Focus down there. We go. The V8 Vigilante. Pretty cool though. For a while it got back here.
There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
What we got find?
Okay, everyone, we made it back to the truck. As you can see, got the high knob area behind us here. It's a really good hike. Hot outside, probably like 85, probably 90 degrees.
No, it's
now.
over 90 now.
Over
Yeah.
90 now, so not used to that weather really. The hottest it's been probably in a while. What'd you think of the hike, Sean?
Fun, but hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, the horses.
Sean's got the Powerade going.
Yeah.
The trail was pretty torn up by horses once we got into like that second area, but it was still, I saw some really cool stuff. Got to see that baby deer. That was cool.
Yeah, that was
Just
awesome.
like the old house and stuff. But really cool sights and just like the bluffage and stuff. But yeah, pretty good hike. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in our next adventure. Thank you.